Hi, it's Emily from WTI. I bet you're wondering what this is. Could it be a comic book, some kind of graphic novel? It's pants. This is the Partoon golf pants from Royal and Awesome. They are awesome. These pants are such a crazy design, but I'll let you in on a little secret. My husband loves crazy and flamboyant clothes, so these are absolutely perfect for him. Royal and Awesome specializes in all sorts of crazy but high quality golf gear and clothes for men, women, and kids. This design really caught my husband's eye, and when he saw it, he's like, that's the one that I have to have. But if you're looking for any kind of attention grabbing sportswear to wear on the course or anywhere, you should definitely check out this store. My husband actually wanted these for our recent Alaskan cruise, and let me tell you, he was an attention grabber for the entire week. So many people commented and pointed out his pants, and he loved it. The really nice thing about these pants is that they also make for very comfortable, high quality men's chinos. Unlike some men's clothes that you find that are a crazy pattern, they're really almost more like costume wear, which makes them usually really uncomfortable. This brand specializes in extremely high quality and well-made garments, even if they have some crazy patterns. These fit my husband really well and they are really comfortable. If you're looking for a way to get some attention next time you're either playing golf, on a trip, or just feeling crazy for the day, you should definitely check out the Crazy Awesome Golf Pants from Royal and Awesome. They even include a free golf tool with every pair of pants. We love them, and that's my point of view.